castle architecture. We have towers. We have the front of the castle with the drawbridge. And we have, of course, the battlements, which is where they would hide from anybody that was attacking the castle. Then they would have, of course, the keep in the middle of the castle. That would be where the lords and ladies would live. There would be a drawbridge, and then there would be windows that were very narrow. They're called arrow loops. So there's battlements. Those are the kind of look like teeth, don't they? They're kind of zigzaggy. And then they have the towers, of course, different types of towers. Sometimes you'll find the ones with battlements, and other times you would find just the ones with a triangle roof. And of course, the drawbridge would be a curve shape, so it would look something like that. And then behind the drawbridge, there would be something called a portcullis, which would be basically a gate to keep out intruders or to keep out invaders. And it would look like a gate, reinforced. Something like this, usually with metal. So there are many parts to the castle, and I'm going to show you how to do the basic castle drawing to start with. Now this is the one that we'll be painting. So I'm going to use my tracers, and I'm going to leave room for the moat, which would be where one of the defenses of the castle with the water surrounding the castle, so no one could dig underneath the castle and get in secretly. In fact, the gate that they would walk through the guardhouse, would be very narrow, so they could do things like make sure that nobody snuck into the castle when no one was around. And here's the towers, so I'm going to outline the towers. And I'm going all the way around, all the way down, and then the other tower. And I'm just tracing, and then I'll be ready to start drawing and painting my tower. Okay, I'm going to make that a little straighter. Okay, and then the drawbridge. Okay, and then the arrow loops, the little skinny windows that they would be able to peek through and shoot arrows from. And then maybe I'll put one up here and put some more down here. I'll put a couple more up here, a couple more here, so it's symmetrical. And now I'm ready to start drawing the brick. I'm going to draw the stone. So the castle was made of stone. At first they used to be made with wood, and then they started building with stone. It was much stronger. And then make sure when you do the bricks that you are making sure that each line of brick is stacked a little bit off to the side of the top layer. That creates the pattern of the stone. Okay, and then I'm going to finish that one. And then of course the tower was made of stone, so I'm going to do those tower lines as well. And then I will fill in the stone parts. And then continue. Now you can work in pencil, you can work in crayon, you could even work in oil pastel. I'm using Sharpie so you can see what I'm doing more clearly. And I almost have the stone pattern done. See how each layer looks a little bit different. Okay. Look how quickly Ms. McDonald draws. Okay. There. Almost done. Almost done. A couple more layers. And now I'm ready to paint.